really think you should.
Alright guys, if you want to see me transform from this to keep watching. Alright, so I had just washed my face and I don't know, I think I'm having like a few breakouts here. I'm so up close and personal with y'all today. So I'm gonna put some moisturizer on my face. And I'm just using this kind of moisturizer. I do have a skincare routine. If you guys want to see that, I don't mind doing that for you guys. So now that my face is all moisturized, and before I put some eye serum on under my eyes. So now, got that. Now I got me a small little tube of primer. I'm almost out, but I gotta back up. I don't know if I really like it yet. So I don't want to buy a real big one, and I don't really like it. So I'm still testing it out. Oh my God! Look at all that squirted on my. Oh. Don't you hate that when you squeeze something out and it just so much just comes out? I hate that. All right, so look at all this damn. That's just too much. I will use half of this. That's just way too much. But since it's already out, I could put. I basically like to put it on my nose and where my pores is. Put it on my forehead. So I just want like a smooth finish. Let me make sure skin feels so smooth. But I'm still not 100% in love with it, but I go back and forth. Okay, so once I do this, then I just let it sit for a minute so it can soak in my skin. Today I'm going to be using Born This Way. Oh, just in case you want to know, my color is golden. But I think this is a little bit too light for me because I kind of like looking a little tan. So I just put it right here on the back of my hand. And then I mix it with this. Now this is dark, but I picked this out for my daughter, but it was too dark for her. So I don't like to waste stuff. I'm just mixing it. Oh, shh. Don't mix that much. God damn. Okay. So I just mix it like that. It's on my hand, and I just mix the two so it can come out a nice, pretty, warm color for me. And then I just dot it on my face. I have a dark spot right here. It is a birthmark. I know some people always think I got hit on the side of my face. That would never go nowhere. I don't know, one thing about, see, every time I push the wand in here, it squeezes, go figure. But I like the thick consistency. So I just want to tell everyone that I thank you guys for subscribing. I appreciate it. Okay, so I'm just gonna, I spit. I'm just gonna take my finger and just kind of like, I need my little mirror. Just got my little mirror here. Yeah, I need better lighting. Then I just blend that in just a little bit with my fingers, and then I use the sponge. So. I'm just using this translucent powder. So anyways, I love makeup, guys. I haven't did, oh my God, this is my like first tutorial or makeup routine I'm doing on here. I haven't did nothing like this in like years. Like literally like years. Oh. I haven't did anything like this in years. It just feels so weird. Oh my goodness. Oof, all that smoke. While it's bake, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. But I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera. I'm not eyebrow perfect, so I'm gonna do it off camera. But I just wanna say, like, I don't know, my eyebrows, even though I try to do them like to look like sisters, I got the natural like arch where one of my eyebrows always go up and the other one, like, I don't know why it does that, but it gotta be my facial expressions. I don't know. But anyways, that's the best I could do. So right now, I'm gonna brush this powder off my face. I'm using this Sephora Micro Smooth. Now, don't talk about my eyebrows now, because I have not perfect the eyebrows. Ooh, everybody always talk about my eyebrows. Some days I get them good, and some days it's just a hit or a miss. That's all. And today, it's a day I miss. I can just tell. I don't know why it looks so thick and dark on this side, but it don't look as thick and dark on that side. I don't know. Matter of fact, I need some more bronzing powder. Shit. And I like to take it around my forehead. My nose, contour this nose. Let me use my Naked palette. This palette is so old. I'm just gonna take the little gold on my finger. Now this is pretty. Very metallic color. I gotta brush around the edges. Hey guys, if you're liking this so far, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I gotta put something in the corner of my eye. That's just a must. Oh, I have used this color in a long time. Just something a little bit darker and just like pat it on the ends here. All right. I am loving these lashes. This is by Kiss. These are the double layer. And these are the one I'm gonna wear today. These are so cute. Here are the lashes. This is my favorite part of putting on makeup is the highlight. And I just want to show, I use this, I got Fenty, that's real gold if I want to be gold. But I like this. This is by Maybelline, very affordable. It won't break the bank. I'll just put it right on top of where I put the blush. I do very light strokes because I don't want to make a mistake and put a glob of highlight in one area. So I just take just take my time and admire the glow to intensify my highlight. And I like to be blind. I want to blind someone, okay? I want, when they look my way, I want them to be like, you know, I want them to be blinded. So here's my secret to blinding. I go in with my little color pop. My little color pop. And this fell and broke. I'm just so mad. Damn, it look almost as blinded in the pot. Oh my God. Oh, do y'all see that? Oh my God, pull out y'all shades, cause this right here, woo! There you go. That's a lot of tip. Add a little bit over here. Then I'll brush whatever's on the brush down here. I'll just add a little bit above the brow area. Let me see. I'm just gonna go natural on the lips. Yeah. You know what, guys? I'm gonna give me some lip fillers because I'm gonna tell you the reason why. Look how wrinkled like my lips is. I feel like I'm losing volume in my lips. Like, damn, I want to lose weight, but not in my lips. I don't like that. I'm getting lip injections. Most definitely. So now it's time to refresh this ponytail. Alright guys, so that's it for this my everyday makeup routine. This is like what I would do every day. And I don't know, I just like it. This is me. This is what I like. If you guys love the way this came out, please leave that comment down below and let me know if you want to see other makeup routines like this. I hope you guys like the look. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Anyway, guys, I will see you in the next video.